Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on our brand new stereo offering, the Bumblebee X. My name is Manisha Sherbakova, and I'm a sales engineer here at Teledyne IIS. Today, I will be going over our new 3D camera, the Bumblebee X, the applications, product specifications, and some key features. This webinar is ideal if you have experience working in the stereo space or are interested in incorporating depth sensing into your project. Teledyne IIS, or Integrated Imaging Solutions, is under the parent company of Teledyne. Here at Teledyne, we have the slogan of "Everywhere you look," because our portfolio covers a very wide range of products that can be found all around you. Our technology can be found in everyday objects like your cell phone, medical scanners, cameras, all the way up to the International Space Station. Teledyne's wide product portfolio can be split into four main divisions: digital imaging, instrumentation, aerospace, and engineered systems. Our group, Teledyne IIS, falls under the digital imaging division. This group is responsible for products ranging from sensors, cameras, image processors, and software, all the way to X-ray and RF systems, LiDAR, GIS, and many other imaging components. Teledyne IIS initially started out as a small team of UBC graduates here in Vancouver who came together to form Point Grey Research back in 1997. Eventually, Point Grey was purchased by FLIR, and FLIR purchased by Teledyne. Our team has a very long history of being leaders in the machine vision space. In 2000, Point Grey came out with the first IEEE stereo vision camera, the DigiClops. In 2002 and 2006, we released the Bumblebee and the Bumblebee 2, which very quickly became favorites in the stereo vision markets, specifically in academia. Fast forward to 2024, where we have announced our 5 gig high-precision upgraded Bumblebee X offering, which I'm super excited to talk to you about. The Bumblebee X is an advanced stereo vision solution built on our best-in-class stereo vision portfolio. This new industrial stereo camera includes the software Spinnaker 3D that offers a comprehensive solution with onboard processing to build successful systems for warehouse automation, robotics guidance, and logistics. Our team's extensive stereo vision expertise and careful attention to customer insights has informed the design of the hardware, software, and processing at the core of the Bumblebee X. With high accuracy across a large range of distances, this solution is perfect for factories and warehouses. Bumblebee X delivers on the essential need for a comprehensive and real-time stereo vision solution. Customers can test and deploy depth sensing systems that work up to ranges of 20 meters with the wide baseline solution. The low latency makes it ideal for real-time applications such as autonomous mobile robots, automated guided vehicles, pick and place, bin picking, and palletization. Here, I will outline some of the key features of the new Bumblebee camera. This camera comes factory calibrated with a 24-centimeter baseline and high-resolution 3-megapixel sensors. As I mentioned before, the camera has a very low latency, which is ideal for real-time applications that need quick feedback. This camera is built to be indestructible and is IP67 rated for industrial applications. It comes with several different ordering options of color or monochrome, different field of views, 60, 80, or 105 degrees, and a 1 gig or a 5 gig PoE option. the camera comes with onboard processing to output a depth map and color data for point cloud conversion and colorization. This camera also has the ability to trigger an external pattern projector and synchronize multiple systems together for more precise 3D depth information. The camera comes with a software library that includes articles, example codes, and is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Robotics Operating System, or ROS. Here I've outlined some of the preliminary Bumblebee X product specifications. Keep in mind that these specifications are preliminary and still subject to change. Some of the most standout specifications are the 3-megapixel high-resolution sensors, the wide 24-centimeter baseline, the very wide range of working distance of 0.5 meter to 20 meters, the 3 ordering options for the field of view, and how the camera is shock and vibration tested to be indestructible. And this is perfect for mounting the camera in applications where it's needed to be on a large robotic arm that is moving and vibrating, or being mounted on an AMR or an AGV that would subject the camera to vibration and shock. The camera comes with an included software called Spinnaker 3D, which is a stereo vision library. Spinnaker 3D is built on top of our Spinnaker SDK, which you may be familiar if you have used our range of machine vision cameras before. This SDK will allow for communication with the Bumblebee X, either through an API or a GUI. This software supports Linux, both ROS 1 and 2, Windows, and ARM. It gives you the option to choose multiple streams, including raw images, rectified images, and a depth map to be outputted from the camera. It has multiple language support, including C, C++, and Python. This library makes it very easy to use our camera, as it comes with example code and a library with conversion calls to depth maps and ROS integration. This camera was designed with the customer at the center. We wanted to ensure that we were taking the needs of the market into account while planning the features. When you buy our cameras, you also get access to our world-class customer support system, who is there to support you as you integrate our cameras. We believe in being a one-source provider so that you can get every component for the solution from us, be it cameras, pattern projectors, cables, lenses, or network cards. We design our products with quality in mind and provide a generous warranty and very long life cycle support. As mentioned before, the Bumblebee X is designed with a few applications and markets in mind. Pick and place and palletization and depalletization are perfect examples, especially applications where the robotic arm is especially large, as it requires a wide baseline and long working distance. AMRs and AGVs are perfect as the high-accuracy Bumblebee X detects obstacles with accuracy and low latency, allowing for obstacle avoidance to happen in real time. The Bumblebee X will come in a few different configurations to order. You can choose between color or mono, depending on the needs of your application. There are 3 different options for the field of view, 60, 80, or 105, which helps accommodate different requirements for various applications. The camera will also come in both 1 GB or 5 GB. The 5 GB variant is where you really get the best out of the camera, because you can experience the high frame rates and low latency over the higher bandwidth interface. For customers who don't have the infrastructure to support 5 gigi at the moment, we wanted to provide a 1 gigi variant. That concludes the presentation portion of today's webinar. I hope you all found it insightful and are curious to know more about some of our new products. If you are interested to know more about the Bumblebee, you can reach out to our team at the email mentioned here or give us a phone call. We can now move on to the Q&A portion of the webinar. You can type out your questions below, and I would be happy to answer them. Thank you again for attending today's webinar, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.